so pretty. Look at the water. Look down, guys.
Taormina is a very popular beach town on the east coast of Sicily. This vacation hotspot has gorgeous beaches, an ancient Greco Roman theater, and an active volcano. It has become very popular over the years, with shows like White Lotus highlighting it as a luxurious destination. We came here to enjoy the sea and explore Taormina's crystal clear water on a boat ride and check out Sicily's Blue Grotto. Come with me to this beautiful seaside town and enjoy everything that it has to offer. Let's go. In my previous video, we went to the island of Ortiga in Syracuse, which was amazing. If you're interested, go check that out. We rented a car, which made it easy for us to get to Taormina. And the first thing you can think about doing while here is going to Mount Etna. This is an active volcano that you can see from Taormina. It's about an hour away driving. And then they also have a Greco Roman theater. So as you can see, it's right on the hilltop and next to the water. And if you flip around, you can see Mount Etna. You can see Mount Etna from everywhere. This whole town is so cute and charming, and there's lots to do, but what I think everyone really comes here for is the water. So this is Isola Bella, and it's a natural reserve. You can go here and check out the beaches and this reserve every day, but Monday the reserve is open. We spent our time on the north side of that, and we went to Lido Re del Sole. And remember, a lido is just an area that also has a beach club. So beach clubs look like this. They typically have all the chairs lined up, and you can go purchase an area to sit for the day. The prices per chair really vary on where you're at. In Italy, they can go from $15 a chair to $50 a chair. And so you usually get a chair and an umbrella for this price. And this is where we were meeting the person to do our boat trip. So we got some coffee and hung out right on the beach, and they always are gonna have changing rooms too. And after we changed, we hopped on the boat. I found this tour on Airbnb Experiences, and it was $214 US for a 2-hour tour around Taormina, and it was perfect. We got to see everything around it, including the caves and snorkel. I want to tell you all about my Sicily itinerary that I just released. If you are interested in going to Sicily and you want to see what you can do in about 9 to 12 days, I have made everything for you, including a interactive Google map with restaurant recommendations and everything you need to know for Sicily. If you are just going to Taormina and want a free PDF, I also have that. You can check the link below to get my free PDF or Sicily itinerary. Okay, back to the boat ride. Look at that clear water. This is definitely why you come to Taormina. You have to do a boat ride while you're there because it is the best way to see not only the city and all the amazing beach clubs, all the different beaches are so cute. So I could definitely spend a couple days here going to each beach and exploring the different things they have and the different beach clubs. But just sitting on the boat was so nice to be able to sit and watch. This is called the Elephant Rock, and I hope you can see why it looks like an elephant. It's so cute that all these different places are formed out of rock right on the water, and that means that they're going to be beautiful caves.
Wow, it's so pretty in here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, look it. It's orange.
There are many different caves off of Taormina, and the most popular one is going to be their Blue Grotto. Grotto just means cave, so anytime the light shines through, makes the water so illuminated with this beautiful blue color. Then we stopped for a little bit and we were able to take a dip in the sea, which felt so good. We were going through a crazy heat wave here in Europe this summer, so it was super nice to hang out, and then we were able to snorkel around. We did see fish, and there weren't like tons of coral reef or anything, but there was fish in here and it was nice to snorkel.
Well, honey, you like diving and a cannonball at the same time. Okay, Lucas, go ahead.
The tour also came with drinks and snacks, so that was nice.
Yes, please. Cave of Love.
I I have no idea why it's called the Cave of Love, but that's what the tour guide said, so that's good enough for me. We really enjoyed ourselves on this tour, and oh, yep, there is Mount Etna again. Like I said, you can see Mount Etna from everywhere. And another great thing that our tour guide did was pointed out all the amazing 5-star resorts and hotels around Taormina. But my favorite part of Taormina is this crystal clear water. I mean, amazing. After our boat tour, instead of renting chairs, one of my favorite hacks is just to sit at the restaurant itself. If you're only going to be at the beach for like half a day or you show up at the end of the day, you can order food and still enjoy the beach, plus have food and drinks and run down to the water. If you have kids, the kids can play in the water because all beaches in Italy are public, and they had amazing food at this place that I highly recommend. Our next video, we are going to be going to where the Godfather movie was filmed, and I loved going here to see some movie props and memorabilia, as well as get a super yummy snack and coffee. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions about Sicily in the comment section below. I also have other videos and playlists from countries all over the world, so go check that out, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.
There's a mermaid.